Okay, so we're going to be doing a dog collar. It's going to be real simple. This applies to whether you're doing a small dog's collar or for a large breed. I'm actually reusing the old dog collar to get the length of it. So I've already got my strap cut. I'm going to show you real simple, real quick, how you can make your own. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do on your old dog collar, take any of the old hardware off. Now, if you have a different style dog collar, you might have to cut out some of the stitching, but once you get all that laid out, the main thing is where the buckle is. That's the main thing that you're going to be worried about, and that you need to know where to start from, because that will dictate the overall length to make sure that it works for your dog. Like I said, for this one, I am taking the old dog collar. The main one that I'm worried about is this for the buckle. You can mark where your rivets or Chicago screws are going to go. Next, I'm going to punch out 2 holes. And this is going to be for the belt buckle. So the first thing you're going to do is have the roller away from you. You're going to feed up underneath, back down where the post goes through, just like that. That's going to fold over. And I am reusing the hardware from the other one. You can take excuse me, a D-ring, slide all that all the way through, and it should look similar to this. So you're gonna have your roller buckle, the D-ring, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a rivet or a Chicago screw on either side, and that will keep that D-ring in place. And we're just gonna center 2 holes. And I'm gonna go with cap rivets on this, since it's just for a small collar. Don't forget to slip the D-ring back on. Cap rivet. The easiest thing for the holes is take your existing collar, take it all the way to the end, take a scratch awl, and mark your holes. And we're just going to go through, center them in. And just like that, got another collar, brand new. Like I said, I just reused the hardware, but you can use new hardware. Within just a few minutes, have a new leather collar.